Two ways to clean an EGR valve. Which one is better? What is the EGR valve? The exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve directs exhaust gases back into the intake manifold. This lowers the temperature inside the combustion chamber and reduces harmful nitrogen oxides. The system also improves fuel combustion efficiency and reduces the risk of engine knocking. Why clean the EGR valve? Over time, moving parts of the valve become covered with carbon deposits and other residue. A restricted gas flow can lead to complete valve jamming and poor engine responsiveness. Signs of a dirty EGR valve. A clogged valve affects EGR operation. The engine power drops, especially under load. You might notice an uneven idle at traffic lights. Fuel efficiency may decrease as a result. Sooner or later, the check engine light comes on. Common fault codes include P0401, P0402, and P0404. Causes of EGR valve contamination. Short trips prevent the engine from fully warming up, allowing carbon to build up faster. Low-quality fuel leaves more residue in the system. Another cause is delayed oil changes and using poor quality oil of the wrong type. A lack of maintenance causes the valve to clog up faster. Install the Autodoc app. Save money when buying spare parts. Dangers of ignoring the problem. The result of a stuck valve can be engine knocking, overheating, or misfires. Prolonged neglect can damage the catalytic converter and piston cylinder assembly. Severe overheating can lead to cracks in the cylinder head. Two possible cleaning methods. 1. Mechanical cleaning with valve removal. 2. Aerosol cleaning without disassembly. 1. Mechanical cleaning, valve removal required. Tools needed: wrenches, EGR or carburetor cleaner, a stiff brush, gloves, and new gaskets. Step 1. Disconnect the battery. Step 2. Remove the EGR valve from the engine. Caution: be careful not to damage the wiring or sensors. Step 3. Spray the cleaner generously onto the valve and let it soak in. Step 4. Use a brush to clean off any carbon deposits. Note: do not scratch the valve or touch the diaphragm if there is one. Step 5. Replace all gaskets of the valve. Step 6. Reinstall the valve. Step 7. Tighten the bolts to the correct torque. Use a torque wrench to do this. If you can, check the intake manifold for deposits and clean what you see. 2. Aerosol cleaning, no disassembly required. Tools needed: specialized EGR aerosol cleaner, protective gloves, and safety goggles. Step 1. Start the engine and let it reach operating temperature. Step 2. If needed, remove the air duct to access the intake port. Step 3. Spray the EGR cleaner into the air intake in short bursts. Important: do not empty the can at once. Caution: stay away from moving parts and hot surfaces. Note: smoke or soot from the exhaust is normal. It shows that the cleaner is working. Step 4. Let the engine idle for a few minutes to burn off remaining deposits. Which method is better? Mechanical cleaning is labor-intensive but delivers long-lasting, effective results. Ideal for heavy build-ups and blocked passages. Mechanical cleaning should be done only if symptoms appear. Aerosol cleaning is perfect for preventive maintenance. Faster and simpler, but not a complete solution for clogged valves. Preventive aerosol cleaning is recommended every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers. Warning: if the valve is stuck or the engine is misfiring, take it to a professional mechanic. Want more DIY car care tips? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Autodoc guides.